Hi friend, today I'm going to talk on how the DTH Pack Fee is computed using TRAIs new regulation. As you are aware, the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India has recently drafted new regulations which has introduced new changes in the way the DTH Pack fees are computed. There are two new components added to it. The first one is like a rental charge and is called the network capacity fee. The base cost is 130 and we add 18% GST. The total NCF is 153.40. This rental includes the carriage of 100 FTA channels, which also has an inclusion of 25 mandatory channels like the 23 regional DD channels plus Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. So of this 125 and mandatory, which means 75 channels are left to your choice, which you can pick up from either any of the free or the pay channels. Now let's see this using the channel selector application. Open the web page https://channels.trai.gov.in and select Get Started. Select your DTH operator and click on Continue. Click on Continue on State as well as select the language and click on Continue. Click on Continue for genre and select this channel type as ST and click Continue. This will land to the home page where you will be able to see on the left top corner all the menu options to select your pay channels, free to air channels, channel bouquets or packs, and finally the My Selection. On towards right top corner as well as the left bottom corner, you would be able to see what is your current selection and what is the total price of your current pack. So here you can see you have selected no pay channels. The free channels selection is already inclusive of 25 mandatory channels, so that's why it shows 25. There are no bouquet or packs selected so far, and the total cost of your pack is 153.40. Now since this 153.40 is inclusive of 100 FTA channels, which of those 125 is already selected, I would like to see the selection of 75 channels. So what I'll do, just to demonstrate, I will go to the free to air channels and select 75 channels to see if my cost remains the same, and I'll try to see to pick up one more additional channel to see if the cost varies. So as you can see, I have selected 75 free channels and the cost remains 153.40. Now let's see what happens if I try to choose the 76 channel. As you can see, the cost of the total NCF changes to 177, and the reason for this is being that you are now asking for more than 100 channels. So if you want to increase the capacity because you want to watch more, then you can do so by paying an additional amount of ₹20 and add an 18% GST. So the total cost would be 2360. So the network capacity fee would now be, for the next 25 additional channels, would be 23 rupees 60 paisa in addition to 153.40, so which will be like 177 rupees, and that is what you have seen in the channel selector tool application as well. So here it is 177. Now let's see what's the second comp. So the second part is the cost that you will have to pay for each of the pay channels that you add to your card, and this cost is also inclusive of 18% GST and is charged on a monthly basis. For example, if there is a pay channel and pictures, if the base cost is ₹6, the total cost of this channel would be inclusive of 18% GST is ₹7.08. Now to know the list of channels that are there under paid and free, you can click on this link which is available on your screenshot, and you can use this PDF to know the complete list of free to air and the pay channel. So now your cost of the total cost of the pack will be the NCF cost plus the pay channels whatever you added. So in the above case, if you just added and pictures, then your total cost will be 153.40 plus 7 rupees 8 paisa, 08 paisa, which is 160.48, and that I'll try to show using the same in the channel selector application. So I'll remove one channel and I'll add one pay channel. Click on pay channels. Yes.